so let's get started. First, open VirtualBox, click Help, then click About VirtualBox. Here, you'll see your VirtualBox version. Mine is version 7.2.8. Now, this is really important. When you download the extension pack, it has to be the exact same version as your VirtualBox installation. If the versions don't match, your USB device may not work properly. Download the extension pack that matches your VirtualBox version. Once the download is finished, simply double-click the file, accept the license agreement, and let it install. After the installation is complete, go back to VirtualBox, right-click your virtual machine, then click Settings. On the left side, click USB. Make sure Enable USB Controller is checked. Then select USB 3.0 XHCI controller. Next, click the plus icon on the right side. A list of all your connected USB devices will appear. Select the USB device you want to connect. In my case, I'm selecting my Realtek 802.11 AC wireless adapter. Now, there's one last setting. Right-click the USB filter you just added, then click Edit Filter. Find the option called Remote and change it to any. Then click OK, and that's it. Now, start your virtual machine. Your USB device should connect without showing the Can't Attach USB Device error. If you're still having problems, make sure the extension pack version matches your VirtualBox version exactly, because that's usually what causes this issue.